Hey guys, howdy do. I'm Karen Adamski with ShamaMama.com, and you might be wondering what this outdoor masterpiece workshop is all about. So you see this painting behind me is, well, this is a large example. We're not going to be working on something this large, but this is a painting that was painted on plastic, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be painting with acrylic paints on plastic with the purpose of these paintings being hung outdoors in your backyard, your front yard, wherever you want to hang them. This one here behind me has been here for at least 5 years, and let me show you some of the other paintings that I have around my own backyard. This hummingbird painting's been here for at least 10 years, and then there's a long dream catcher here in the corner. Back over here there's another dream catcher. I need to trim my bushes, and I think this is what we may be focusing on during our workshop, although you can paint anything that you'd like. I'll help guide you through it. And these are just some ideas of what I have in my backyard currently that might spark some creative juices flowing within you. What could you bring to your backyard? This workshop will be happening this Sunday, June 2nd, from 1 o'clock until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you'd like to join me, just get your ticket at ShamaMama.com and go to the workshop tab at the top of the page under the calendar. The cost of the workshop is $45, and that includes all of the supplies and the guidance from me. I hope to see you. Namaste.